Okay, perfect. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our mortgage app training. My name is Ben Salami, CEO of Benergy Technologies, founder of the Canadian Mortgage App, and today I will be your host. We decided to create weekly training sessions to help you get the most out of your mortgage app because your mobile app is just jam-packed with really awesome features. So the better you know your app, the faster and more accurate you can help your clients or generate beautiful reports for them. Our training sessions will run live every week, same time, 12 p.m. Eastern and 9 a.m. Pacific for 30 minutes. Following the 30-minute session, I will stay back for another half hour to answer any questions or run through scenarios at your request. Sessions are being recorded, and I hope to have them to you the very next day, so tomorrow. If you don't need the training and just want to pop in because you have a question, feedback, or a crazy idea you'd like to discuss, just join us 30 minutes after the hour and we'll be here for you. Okay, if you don't have an app or your brokerage doesn't provide one, just scan this QR code and install the generic Canadian Mortgage app. If you were provided an app by your brokerage or you are part of the DLC group, you're good to go. You don't need to scan this because you already have an app. Just open it up and follow along as much as you can. Keep in mind that Android and iOS are slightly different, but the concepts will remain the same. If you need support during the training, you can ask your questions right here in the Zoom, and I will answer them all the questions at the end. You can also start a conversation with our support team right from the app. There is a support chat under the Extra tab. Okay, so another way is to access the FAQs on the app. It's also under the Extra tab. Some brokerages have dedicated trainers. This is amazing because we work very closely with them and usually show them upcoming features before it goes live. So if you have any questions, you can also ask them during the week. I also have a Facebook group. It's not as popular as Jill's newbie group or Scott's ILMB, but it's another channel for me to answer questions and show you guys new features.